The Galaxy A70, Samsung's most premium current gen A series phone in India today. It's here, and in today's video let's unbox it and see what Samsung's done with this. Hey guys, Ash here from C4E Tech and let's get started. So what do you guys think of Samsung's A series? Do you think they are doing pretty good here? Innovative new offerings, especially like the A80 that should be launching in India next month. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And if you do end up liking this video, please don't forget to turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon. So here's the box the A70 comes in. Opening it up, we've got something to the top. This box here houses the quick start guide, warranty card, the regular literature along with a soft case. Next, we have the A70 itself. It's got that rainbow back pattern going for it. We've seen it on other A series phones in the past. It feels pretty similar to those. In hand too, it kind of feels similar. Removing that plastic now, the A70, it is over 180 grams heavy, but it doesn't feel all that bulky. The curved edges to the back, it kind of helps with the ergonomics. The plastic back makes it a little less slippery than glass, but it does pick up a lot of smudges and fingerprints very easily. And given plastic, I also expected to pick up more scratches than glass. Anyway, let's take a quick tour around the device. The power and volume keys are present to the right. The secondary noise cancelling microphone can be found up top. The left houses the triple card tray, that is 2 SIMs and a micro SD. And to the bottom, we've got the speaker, primary microphone, Type-C port and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Talking about the Type-C port and headphone jack, let's get back to the box. The A70 has a 25-watt fast charger. Samsung calls this super fast charging. There are a pair of in-ear earphones included, and the A70 has a Type-C to Type-C cable. Now this is because the travel adapter takes Type-C input. Now what do you think of that? Like it? Or hate the fact that you now need an extra cable for data transfer? Let me know in the comments below. Let's now jump back to the A70. We have an Infinity U display here. Infinity U is Samsung's peak for a display with a water drop notch. This is where Samsung houses a 32-megapixel selfie camera. Now the panel itself, it's excellent. The resolution is Full HD+, it's 6.7 inches large. The colors are vivid, it's bright, the contrast is excellent given it's AMOLED, it's Samsung. There is also Widevine L1 certification, so consuming HD content with this panel should be great. Now it's not just the display itself, Samsung's managed to keep the bezels really slim, so despite having a 6.7-inch display, the A70 doesn't feel way too big. The overall footprint is manageable. By the way, just like with the A50, Samsung's also included an under-display optical fingerprint scanner in here. Not sure if it's different hardware or software tweaks, but this one seems to work better than the one on the A50. At least with my initial impressions, that's what I felt. Now moving on to internals, we've got the Snapdragon 675 running the show here. Now this is the same chip as we've seen on the Vivo V15 Pro and of course the Redmi Note 7 Pro. There's 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. And remember, dedicated support for micro SD. Just like other A series phones, the A70 also runs on One UI built on top of Android 9 Pie, and it comes with full-fledged Samsung Pay. So you can use it to mimic a card swipe wherever credit or debit cards are accepted. Then the regular One UI features like the always on display functionality are also present and accounted for. Overall, the combination of the Snapdragon 675 with One UI should perform well. And oh yeah, almost forgot, there is a pretty large 4500 mAh battery inside, so you probably won't have to worry about battery life. The 25-watt charger means the A70 can charge faster than the Galaxy S10 Plus. That's kinda ridiculous, right? Now with regards to optics, we've got a triple camera setup to the back. This is very similar to what we've seen with the Galaxy A50. The second and third sensors are in fact identical. 8-megapixel f2.2, 5-megapixel depth sensor, exactly what we've seen with the A50. The primary sensor is different though. It's a 32-megapixel sensor here. It's still coupled with a f1.7 lens. It still shoots 12 megapixels by default. You still lose HDR if you shoot at over 12 megapixels. But as you can see, the images do seem quite good. They seem to be rich. The dynamic range seems to be good. Once again, initial impressions. The selfie camera again shoots 12 megapixels by default, and that's coupled with the f2.0 lens. Now with all that, we get to the pricing. The Galaxy A70 is priced at 29,000 rupees here in India. And if you're thinking about, is that worth the price? Well, if you're just looking at the chip, then no, the Redmi Note 7 Pro or the upcoming Realme 3 Pro should be better deals. But as a package, does it have something more to offer? Well, let me test it out and get back to you soon. In the meantime, you guys do let me know what you think about the Galaxy A70 via the comments below. And with that, we get to the end of this video. It is time I bid you adieu. Thumbs up, thumbs down based on whatever you felt about the video. Subscribe, turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon if you haven't yet. And if you've not checked out either of these videos or other channel FTJ, please do so now. And I guess that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4 Retech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.